Welcome back to Tire Talk, where we bring you the latest and most exciting car reviews from around the world. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a car that once again redefines what it means to be an American muscle icon. This machine is not just about raw horsepower, it's about attitude, heritage, and dominance. The Hellcat name has always stood for fearless power, and the 2026 model takes that legacy to a whole new level. From its thunderous engine to its aggressive design, every inch of this car screams performance and passion. Starting with the exterior, the new Challenger SRT Hellcat stays true to its muscular roots but adds sharper lines and a bolder presence. The front end is more aerodynamic, featuring slimmer LED headlights and an aggressive grille that feeds cool air straight into that monstrous engine. Massive heat extractors on the hood ensure optimal cooling, while the wide-body stance gives the car a powerful, planted look. The flared fenders wrap around enormous 20-inch performance wheels, making it look ready to launch at any moment. The rear gets a cleaner, more refined look with sleek LED taillights, a pronounced rear diffuser, and dual exhaust tips that let out that signature Hellcat growl we all love. Every part of the exterior is designed not just for looks but for function, aerodynamics, stability, and pure street presence. Step inside, and you're greeted by a mix of modern luxury and muscle car heritage. The cabin of the 2026 Hellcat is all about control and comfort. The seats are wrapped in a combination of leather and Alcantara with the iconic Hellcat logo embossed on the headrests. They're sculpted to keep you secure during high-speed runs but comfortable enough for long drives. The new 12.3-inch digital driver display is fully customizable and shows everything from G-force readings to boost pressure and lap times. The 14-inch central infotainment screen features Dodge's latest Uconnect system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and a premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. The materials have been upgraded across the board, giving the cabin a premium, performance-oriented vibe that feels more like a luxury sports car than a traditional muscle car. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, the engine. Under that sculpted hood lies a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine producing a jaw-dropping 807 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. That's right, Dodge has managed to push the limits even further. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.2 seconds, and the top speed reaches an insane 203 miles per hour. Whether you're on the drag strip or the highway, the Hellcat delivers raw, unfiltered power that you can feel in your chest every time you hit the throttle. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts lightning fast, but for those who crave full control, Dodge still offers a manual option. The adaptive suspension system lets you switch between comfort, sport, and track modes, ensuring the Hellcat performs perfectly in any condition. Dodge didn't just focus on speed, they worked on precision too. The car comes equipped with massive Brembo brakes, launch control, and improved stability systems to keep all that power under control. The chassis feels more balanced and responsive than ever before, allowing drivers to push the car harder without sacrificing safety. Despite its muscle-bound personality, the Hellcat also brings refinement to the table. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth, and the noise insulation allows you to enjoy that beautiful V8 soundtrack without it becoming overwhelming. Fuel economy, well, let's be honest, that's not what the Hellcat is about. This car isn't built to save fuel, it's built to ignite your passion for driving. It's a statement, a bold declaration that true muscle cars aren't going anywhere, even in an age of electric vehicles. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is living proof that gasoline-powered thrill machines can still rule the roads. As for the price, the new Hellcat starts at around $78,000, and depending on the trim or optional packages, it can climb past $90,000. For what it delivers, style, speed, and heritage, it's worth every penny. This car is not just transportation, it's an experience. Every drive feels like an event. So, if you're someone who loves power, performance, and that spine-tingling roar of a supercharged V8, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is the car that will steal your heart. It's bold, aggressive, and unapologetically American. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tire Talk, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest car reviews and automotive news. Stay tuned, because here at Tire Talk, we bring the power straight to your screen.